Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are starting class 10 science. This is practice paper number 1. So this is for 40 marks paper. So let us answer the practice paper number 1 of 2023-24, and this is the part number 1. So this paper is set for 40 marks from all the three part, that is physics, chemistry and biology. So let us in part 1 let us answer all the questions related to part 2, that is part A, that is physics. So let us answer all the questions related to part A, that is physics. So now let us move for the first question. So the first question is, that is two MCQ questions are there. So let us answer those two MCQ question. Color of live wire in household electrical circuit is. So always the color of live wire will be green, yellow, red, black. So it will be always red. Live wire means it is danger, it is indicates red. So for first question the option is C, that is red. So now let us move for the second question, that is this is the first main. So what is the second question? The second question is, the commutator in electric motors are split ring, brushes, axle, soft iron. So it is split ring. So option A is the right answer. So for this question, option A, that is split rings. It is called as split ring commutators. So now let us move for the second main, and in the second main let us see the third question. So it is 1 marks question. Let us see what is that 1 marks question. What is the magnetic field like? What is the magnetic field inside the what is the magnetic field like inside the solenoid? ಸೊ ಸಾಲನಾಯ್ಡ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. It is uniform. The magnetic field lines are uniform and parallel. So this is the answer for second main, that is third question. Now let us move for the third main, that is fourth question. So what is that fourth question? Write any two characteristics of magnetic lines of force. So let us write any, that is here two questions will be there. The first question is, write any two characteristics of magnetic lines of force. So now let us answer this. So magnetic lines of force will never, the magnetic field lines of force will never intersect each other. Magnetic field lines of force will never intersect each other. This is the first property of magnetic field lines or characteristics, and the second characteristics are magnetic field lines are continuous closed. Magnetic field lines are continuous closed loop. So these are the two characteristics. Other than these two also we can write. So magnetic field lines emanate from North Pole, and it emerges from North Pole and merges at South Pole. Outside, inside from South Pole to North Pole. Then magnetic field line strength will be more at the poles than at the equator. Sorry, than at the center. So like this we can write other characteristic also. Since it is very easy, I have written these two. Then fifth question is, write any two differences between electric motor and electric generator. So now let us write down two differences between electric motor and electric generator. So one side let us write electric motor, then another side let us write electric generator. So let us see what are the differences between electric generator and electric motor. The first difference is motor. It converts Motor is a device. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Then generator, generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So this is the first difference between electric motor and electric generator. In electric motor, to know the direction, to know the direction, Fleming's left hand rule is used. FLHR means Fleming's left hand rule. Then to know the direction in generator, Fleming's right hand rule. FRHR means Fleming's right hand rule. Fleming's right hand rule is used. So these are the two differences between electric motor and electric generator. So now let us move for the question number, that is question number fourth main, that is question 3 marks question, that is question number 6. So in the question number 6 they have given state Fleming's left hand rule, A question, and B question is draw a neat diagram of electric motor and identify the parts. Not identify, label the parts. So now let us move for fourth main. So this is the fourth main. So each question carry, this is the fourth main, and each question carry 3 marks. So in sixth, the first question is state Fleming's left hand rule. So it states that hold your left hand such that thumb, forefinger and middle finger are mutually perpendicular to each other such that thumb indicates the direction of force. Forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field. And middle finger indicates the direction of current. So this is Fleming's left hand rule. So now B is in sixth only. B question is diagram question. You have to write neat label diagram of electric motor and you have to label the parts. So in fourth main, so one more question is there, that is this is the last question of physics part. So in seventh question, two sub questions are there. So the first sub question in seventh main is what is the function of a fuse? 1. What precautions should be taken to avoid overloading in household electrical circuit? So now let us answer these two questions. So A, seventh A, what is the function of fuse? So when excess current flows, when excess current flows through a fuse wire, it gets melted up due to low MP. By this, it breaks the circuit. And protects the electrical appliances from damage. So this is the electrical appliances from damage. So this is the function of fuse wire. Then second, in that one only, second B questions they have given. So that B question is they asked, that is what precaution should be taken to avoid overloading. So in 7th question B, so what are the precautions should be taken while to avoid overloading? So avoid connecting too many appliances to a single socket. Avoid connecting too many appliances to a single socket. This is the first one. Then second one is that use safety devices such as fuse and earthing. This is the second one. Then the third one is avoid live wire coming in contact with neutral wire. Avoid live wire coming in contact with the neutral wire, or replace the damaged wire. Then the fourth one is repairing the faulty machines. Repairing the faulty appliances. If the appliances is faulty, we have to repair it. Repairing the faulty appliances. So by this we can avoid overloading. So like this we have to avoid overloading. So by this we have completed all the questions related to, that is physics part. It is a 40 marks question, and that is we have completed all the questions related to physics part. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much, and thanks for everyone for your great support.